people are the greetings and time to watch my video. I send my greetings once again and again, and I raise up for now. That's why I do market vlog. I did one house, one duplex like this, and surprisingly, I don't feel Richard before. I don't know, because when they call me say, hey, do market vlog, use here, come here, come here. I said, yeah, they go. I just open the gate and I come see and say, I don't feel come this house before. I don't feel do video for this house before. Now second time they come, I come do video. I send my greetings for you. We watching for Europe, America, Asia. Whenever you watch me, I raise up for you. Thank you now for development. What I do for Benin, put there abroad, the love I show for Benin, show workers for Benin, development everywhere. All of my put there abroad, I get the house, they are happy for that. Thank you now, where. God bless you now. Thank you now the love when you show me, want to watch my videos, the comment, I beg. Like I talked about before, I don't feel visited before. Now one of my lovely #1 fan, I get this house. You understand me? So you understand? I know say now this house I come again. And I say wait on one day to see that become I can chop, I can drink wine for this house and chicken way big because the second time I visit this house. I beg stay tuned. I want to talk about one important thing about solar today. Who be that person? The #1, the champion. I want one important thing today, solar. You understand? So and now the #1, the champion, the man I love too much. The man when it's pretty hot. If they talk today, we they beg me calm down. Talk about greater light technology. Now I deal with it. So the man with the talk, we all the calm down. They all got calm down small. The temperature and all of the high. This one is expert for anything called solar. You don't know very well. Don't work with me now. Even this house when they work, so and one of them see their brother to get this house. You understand? So I remember one of the work I do for Central. You understand me? So many jobs to mention. You understand? I beg you and stay with greater life technology. In terms of solar, no commodity, no go give jumbo your work. I don't want to talk too much. Anyway, I want to go around, I see the house and what you want to do. If I go invite greater light, keep watching. I beg press subscribe button and follow me on Facebook. You don't market blog too. I can follow me. I see new panels. What I do? I see new panels. You understand me? So fine panels. You understand? So I never know the wax. I never know the wax of the okay. This one
100 watts.
This one 400 wax. Now with this one. So different panel.
Absolutely fair.
Different panel full year. You understand me? So come on, come. So different panel full year. You understand? So I beg you stay tuned. You understand? I believe I don't really know what you want to do, how many kV of what you want for here. Anyway, I go follow me, come. But that's the see there. I want to show now. No, let me show you. Many things. What is there when and to do? Come on, follow me. You shall.
Battery.
You understand? This one a battery. You understand? This one show now. This one an inverter. See the inverter. Felicity inverter. You understand? So okay, quickly, let me go with greater light. Make it fun and talk. Make it great now. #1 for solar matter. Maybe give us update concerning what this in the do for this house. Keep watching. For Edo Market Blog. I do with the #1 for solar matter and to remind now a lot of things what this man do. You understand? So this house today. Now do the camera, the Cctv camera, solar, electric fence. Now greater light technology now do everything. I know the show now all this solar today. I will show you all the full job where it do for this house. By God's grace now, it made the up now for roof. They install the solar panel like this now. Some day inside house, they install the batteries and the inverter. You understand? So una know greater light so well. You understand? So don't travel go Lagos, go work, I will go different state, go work. Not be new person. Not be waiting and they preach too much, say I can't talk too much because of because on my platform you don't know. A person we don't work for now. Greater light near me, make it great now. And the man where you go calm your temper today because no rush me. Because people want to hear you, they want to learn too. You understand? So people want to get the idea of solar. In case they want to do solar for their house, they will know who to call and the right thing to do. Who wants to do camera for us? Because these days now, camera isn't necessary. It's almost impossible to build your house without camera. It's almost impossible to build a house without barbed wire.
Electric fence.
You understand? So electric fence. You understand? So not those local barbed wire or electric fence when they shock with the key. Who lose guard then go. You understand? So it's almost impossible because of security and insecurity and everything. So greet your people first.
Well, my people for us, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where una they coming from. I beg, may I permit una make I put this thing, it they worry me. God bless una. Depends on where una they watch me from. My name na Samuel, aka Greater Light Technology. As I dey talk, now maybe this, you understand? So we dey do solar for here. This is 10 kVA solar system. 10 kVA, one lithium battery, that is 110 kilowatt battery. Then 12 400 watt panel. This one a mega solar. Now we wan fix for here. And before I reach this solar point, maybe dey for here. So if you look around, you'll see CCTV camera everywhere. Now me do the CCTV. If you check this pole now, you'll see street lights everywhere. Now me fix the street light, solar street light.
Okay. Before you go far too much, so me not say they explain by yourself because you put the watch on. Say, what this guy they talk? So we don't make it. Just introduce yourself. Tell them your work. They know what you do.
My name is Greater Light, as I tell you. Now me na solar man, solar CCTV, and electric fence. I dey install them.
Okay, good.
But the work maker they do for you na solar. Yeah. Most of una know me. I bet for those of una won't come across my video for the very first time, I go like muna press una subscribe button. Okay,
I beg, more than all, make una calm down. Muna watch this video. I want to give you an interesting video because this house and this so I don't first visit this house the first time when one of our persons do furniture work. You understand? For this place, you understand? I show una the house, I show kitchen camera, I show everything, but this one so a greater light I want to show now about solar and a security wire and camera when you do. So how long did you start to do work for this place?
Okay. Now through those State market block.
Okay.
Now I think no Mrs. Simoti Yansa. You know, say I do always they call her name anytime and they do
video. Yes.
Now our house now with this so.
Okay.
The last video when we do, I said the next video maybe we want to do now for our house. So now the house maybe this so.
Okay.
So now through Edo State market block, now I see the woman. Okay. So she's one of my first customer. They give me work and now the very first work I do for this house now CCTV.
Okay, so there is camera. So.
Yes, as I do finish, I can't do the street light. If you look and you see posts for everywhere, solar street light.
Okay.
I can't do solar street light. From there, I can't do PTZ. I can't say get one camera made and then do PTZ. If you there abroad, you'll see anything they happen in case then they work for site. Now I can't do that one. So I can't do electric fence. Okay. For this same house and everything maybe they talk no be they very visible you go see them.
Okay.
Then now the solar now they do so. My brother, I want to tell now for Benin, for Nigeria as a whole, there's no light. Without greater light, there's no light. You understand? So if you give me work, I assure you of 24 hours light. If you can abide on the rules, understand that solar light now alternative light.
Okay, you ready to travel? I've been a little bit for the work now.
As me and you they talk so. Person won't send me transport, my take on Lagos. Now factory.
Okay, factory.
Yes.
I want to install solar put.
Yes, I want to install solar and solar street light and all those CCTV camera and those CCTV now all those 24 this thing megapixel, very big camera.
Sharp,
yeah, those sharp one. Okay, you understand?
My people, you say boundary not be problem. You say you ready to travel. Anywhere, Sokoto, anywhere for Nigeria, the 36 state of Nigeria, say you travel. I just got beg you, make you not use boundary, take denial of your work. You understand? If they go anywhere, as far as you agree based on transportation, you go there, go do na work. I remember one woman from America, what she do out for maybe Ogara, I've been on this thing, I've been on this thing.
Now for worry.
Really, Abi?
No, worry side, don't forget the name.
Do my work, we saw do my solar panel, everything work well, and the woman see the call and they tell her thank you. And this woman will get this, I still make sure her name for past 2 videos. I don't know something yes. And this woman asked, when you come if I don't know. Anyway, carry us around, say you tell us what you do and when you start this work now, this solar we want to do.
Now I just start and I want I go finish within by 4 o'clock. I don't put light for everybody.
Don't test everything will work.
Yes, by 4 o'clock.
How many kVA shade for this one?
10 kVA.
10 kVA.
Yes. 10 kVA system. Today everything will does the work. As you can see, the panel done the entire up already.
Okay.
Once and okay, then they do the listing.
So first show now a lot now. I want to show them the electric fence. You understand? Like I say, it's almost impossible to build that for Nigeria for Edo State without all these things: security camera, electric fence. See now. I'm not go point do whether they on and I don't know. You understand? Follow me.
They on no, me no open one, they on no.
You say a good day on tell me I dey careful. You understand? So me not keep myself. You understand? So follow me. You see security cameras. Security cameras.
This one are PTZ.
This one called PTZ. It turn abi.
Yes, this one they rotate.
360 abi.
Yes.
Why rotate 360? You understand? So
see the normal camera.
See, come see that one again. Come.
Then see the street light, the solar street light for up. See normal camera.
So see normal camera. Where is the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, come see am. You see am, show them. Over there, man. You see am, so. You see am. Now greater light technology now do this magic. You understand? Everything fixed at the strategic location. Neat. You see all the barbed wire straight. If you tell me say are they on, now they careful because the fence now low fence. You understand? So to tell you say privacy high for this house. Privacy at the highest. If you are not invited, don't come the house. You understand? So privacy they tight. You understand? So road not there, road supposed to be there, but if you pass your commands,
road they open now.
Come open like say without it go touch and
no touch am.
So this one is private lodge, one on that road link up to this side. You understand? So the barbed wire see they follow they go. You understand? Show them. You see the barbed wire they go straight to this side. This one they more than 100 by 100 though.
Now 100 by 100.
Okay, camera they here too.
Camera. No, these all those camera. That pity I mean they reach here.
Okay, reach here. Okay. Watch. You see, say the barbed wire. He long go reach that side. You understand? So my camera, you take careful go of the barbed wire for back. Come. I don't show now a lot of stuff. People they work now. They install panel. They inside. Make I do like say I'll fit climb come in there. But watching, I'll do like workman too. Hey. Well, go. I'll be man. You see, I say they see the work. You understand? So my camera not get me. Concept me can't get me. So
go back.
How many panel installer? Now 2. Get that. How many you want install this place now?
12.
12.
Now the 12 they grant so.
Okay. So all right. So he said that. Okay, I want to see work. So they send me work. They send me message. I want work. So I be work one now. So give me daily pay. How many I want give you?
1 day okay.
Okay. So my people, I'm not going to do video. I see the concert they assist. Yeah, they get a lot in live. Okay, see the panel. It's in a 400. Why you choose this 400 watts?
Because of the battery man they use.
The batteries.
Yes, because of the kind of battery man they use. Now lithium ion battery now they use.
Okay, below this kind of watts, not take on.
You know if you take on, you know charge and wear.
No charge and wear. Because people like you well because you expose the true details come outside about this work. You expose the true details about this work. That is why people they see your video. They want to watch your video. You understand? So this panel na Canada panel been na panel.
No, na brand new panel.
Brand new panel.
Yes.
You explain that. You explain that between.
Yes, I don't already do that explanation of between Canadian and
okay. New one be the best.
Yeah.
You understand? So people you don't explain to say you don't explain the difference between Canadian panel and this thing. I know that some people don't watch that old video. If you explain again small.
Yes.
Okay.
So for the people me if they watch my former video. Most of them then they're angry for one thing. Say I not talk the prices. You get it. So now maybe they say price not be the issue because the price when I take do their video not be the same price when I take do this. You understand? Now the same 10K view, but a different price.
Different price.
You understand? Because things for market now every day they go up. You get it?
Price now.
Yes.
What is the difference between the Canadian and the new one?
The difference between Canadian and new one, Canadian na Belgian panel. Okay, the voltage they fall. Okay. While the new one, the voltage na new panel, the voltage is complete.
Okay.
And this new one they come with 25 years warranty.
25?
Yeah, 25 years warranty. So that's just it. Okay. You understand? Okay. If you get anything from Greater Light, you have just done it all. You understand me? So okay. I know fit talk because I don't they talk since.
Let's call me say this thing they fail. Say the connector and go they fail for up. Now how true is that?
The monocrystalite. You get panel made them they call polocrystalite. This one are mono. The other one are polo.
Okay.
That polo. This thing is inside so. This one are copper.
Na copper.
This one are mono. Na original panel. This one no they expire. The one made they expire. This one a person till they call me from the block.
Alright.
So the one me they expire. Now be polo.
Okay.
Polo crystalite. This one aluminium. That one aluminium.
This one copper.
This one copper. Okay. So this one even you cut and leave am for that 25 years, nothing they do. I know the dust. You understand? I know they bring out dust. Now mono panel be this one. You know they fail. You know they fail. You understand? The voltage is very complete.
Okay, like this now, let me say this woman don't spend this money now and do this solar everything. How many years this thing will take?
Like I tell you, everything get year by year.
Yeah.
Like that battery so. No matter they watch my people, make them see my face. I know before one night. Like that battery so. That battery they come with 10 years lifespan. Then 5 years warranty, yes. 10 years lifespan, 5 years warranty. You understand? Why this one? The lifespan are 25 years.
25 years.
And you can use it more than 30 years. You understand? Because na glass panel.
Okay.
You get it? Why the inverter they come with 1 year warranty.
Okay.
So everything get their own warranty. You understand? So that is it.
Okay, let's go and share the battery now. Now the battery area like we did now. Both of them down because now under staircase. Now be this one so. Okay, this place don't go too hot for this thing.
No, because as it is so, now only the space maybe if you put this place with this one. And if you look and say once they done the house done the work, AC there everywhere. So cool. Yes, it will be cooler. You understand? This one be the battery. I tell on about. Why this one are the inverter? This one are the controller, which is charge controller.
Okay.
How many
kilo? How many?
10 kilowatts.
10 kilowatts.
Yes.
So this one I carry how many AC like this now?
This one so you go carry this one go carry 2 AC at once.
At once?
Yes.
Both fridge and everything. The set go on.
Yes. Don't on now.
Okay.
Since the battery don't they on.
Okay.
The ones that see on now, in overcharge.
Okay, how many fridge you carry like this now?
This one you go carry the fridge immediately as one chest fridge and one standing fridge.
Okay, okay. So the inverter so?
This one is inverter.
Okay. The best quality for Lagos and you buy vehicle.
Yes, this is Felicity. Everybody, people me they do and they know what to be Felicity.
Okay.
So that's it.
So my people, I beg, we don't follow Greater Light Talk here. The old I don't live here now. You understand? So you don't explain, give me what in the do. Trust me, now professional. Una know very well. Give Greater Light work and thank me later. I don't talk a lot about solar, you understand? And by God's grace, we no Greater Light is ready to travel. And you don't see many of them will invest in no measure price. This country, measure price for this country is very, very difficult. It is almost impossible to measure price. Because if you measure price today, if you go call her next week, we'll give you new price. You can't say price call you for video and different talk. So you measure price now. If you call her next month, if you tell you new price, you say how you measure different. Not be in the control. And still dollar the controls. So we have to do hope on dollars to get updates. So you know about anything, you have to call the people sell and say, I want to so loud, I'm for the material now, who they know before they do the job. That's just the truth. We don't feel get updates from people who do the work again. Now dollar, now we get updates from. Once we know the update of dollar, we know the update of things for Nigeria. You understand me? So as you can see, I bet patronize Greater Light and thank later. Mama, you want to get this as a big congratulations to you. Thank you for using the market blog workers. I appreciate you greatly. You understand? I still wait for invitation to go drink wine and chicken. You understand? It's very important. I don't feel start again before. It's not good. I don't come chop chicken for this house and wine for this house. It's not good. It's not tell where. You understand? I need to come this house. Come drink wine. God bless you. Big congratulations. Try the market blog. Keep watching until I'll see you again. I love you.